Let's go. PC, bro.
Picking up my case, ayy. Picking up my case, ayy. Picking up my. Let's go. Getting that PC packed up. Getting it built this week. Let's go. Cannot wait. I want PC. Getting it built this week. Let's go. We are finally getting our PC parts, but guess who I'm with, y'all? Go to West 9. What the build on PC? Let's go. Cases. Screws with the motherboard to bolt it down with. So we have literally no screws. Golden gonna try to find some screws to fit, but yeah, we have no screws to put the motherboard in. I spent $259 for no screw. The PC is almost done. We got Golden S9 working on it, aka with Nick as well. Shout out to the goats, help me getting it together. Now I'm gonna do is cable management. About to test it. Go. Oh, it's true. It's up! Let's go! So it's working. I'll give you the details later, but he's got it booted up. But yeah, bro, it's running.
What's the name?
Bro, the PC is working, bro. It's up. Let's go. Let's go. The PC is working.
And you can.
You not believe this. Guess what? It's both of them working. Everything's plugged in. That's working. That's working. You know why? You know why it wasn't working? You really want to know why, bro? Because I YouTubed it and this wasn't connected. It wasn't connected to the stator. Let's go. It's a no working.
Comment for your blog. So, how does it feel to have your first PC part?
That feels good as hell. Let's go, PC, baby. Let's go, y'all. We on PC. We're gonna go live pretty soon. So keep up. September, I'm gonna stream, and then October going down for Oktoberfest, all scary movies and games. Shout out to Golden Way is down behind the screen. We about to go live, baby. Let's get it.
Congratulations, bro.